Now I'm pleased to welcome a longtime supporter of our engineering programs and the students in our engineering programs, Mr. Zweig of Glenbrook Technologies.
The real brains of Glenbrook Technologies is sitting right over there. Her name is Claire Zweig, but she lets me speak. 25 years ago, in the early development of Glenbrook Technologies, we hired our first CCM student. He was a co-op student in the Electronic Engineering Technologies department. He's still with Glenbrook after 25 years and is manager of technical service. Since then, our technical staff has grown, but 80% of our staff are still CCM alum. And as of recently, our appointed Vice President of Finance is a CCM alum. And what a joy it is to have Cindy Rempesed here, who is also a student in the electronics engineering program and has interned at Glenbrook Technologies. She'll tell you how we tortured her. But here is what this talented staff has helped Glenbrook achieve. Awards from the New Jersey Inventors Hall of Fame. Awards from the Research and Development Council of New Jersey. Awards from the New Jersey Technology Council. An election to the Orthopedic Research Society in recognition of Glenbrook's contribution to orthopedic research. We are grateful to CCM and their talented faculty for continuing to create and expand this creative environment and to cultivate a pool of talent that will be sorely needed in New Jersey. Thank you.